Slinky Smoky. So we got ourselves pre-tripped Thursday morning. I made an adjustment to one of my straps. I'll show you what I did when I have some light. So we're leaving this rest area here on I-95 here in Connecticut, just outside of Milford, Connecticut. Got loaded late yesterday, so I just got to the first place I could to get a rest stop for the night, because I did not know where if I'd be able to park at the Pilot. So I got lucky. I had one of the last stops that was available here, last parking spots.
In a half mile, take exit 40, Woodmont Road.
So we're pulling 45,700 pounds of these Slinky coils. And we're going to run right up here to this Pilot here. Gonna get a scale ticket. Then we're gonna get right back on the road.
Take exit 40, Woodmont Road, and then
We should be okay as far as weight, but that way we can get right back on the road and roll on out down to New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania. Do our 30-minute break here. Grab a bite to eat, maybe. Gonna make myself a cup of hot chocolate. As well. McDonald's in it.
On the left.
And I would go for another Moe's right now, even though I had one last night for dinner. Another Moe's burrito would not be on the bad side for me. Yeah, we got an open lane, so we're gonna do this first. Right, and right. Okay. Yeah, so there's the light there. So change our service hours. As soon as it decides it wants to click over, change that to on duty. Change that to fuel, because you're supposed to be on, it's doing something with the truck, so you got to be on duty at the fuel. All right, so we need those miles, 52,519. Be able to plug into the old broke my my stand here. That sucks. 30 bucks and it freaking breaks. All right. So we're at the Loves here in wherever the hell we are. Oh, Hamburg, Pennsylvania. Got where I was for a moment. So we got our 30-minute break completed. So we got 7 hours of driving, 9 hours on the clock for the 14. We still have 60 hours for our 70. So we're having a triple McMuffin from McDonald's. We had an apple pie. We had a hash brown. Got myself a cup of hot chocolate, since I don't drink coffee. Just a couple miles here. Excuse me. And we're gonna pull here into this little rest stop here. And we're gonna do another quick load check.
1.5 miles, keep to the right on connecting road.
Doesn't seem like anything's popped loose or fallen over or anything else like that, so we're just gonna get out and do a physical and visual, touch and peak. And we're gonna check, make sure the load is okay, that our securement is good. Ready. And then we're going to get down the road here to a place where I can get me a shower, because I need one tonight. Didn't get one last night, and it's like, ugh. Just today, you get up and you feel like dirt.
In a half mile, keep to the right on, connecting road and then approaching destination on the right side, in 0.2 miles. Speed limit change possible ahead. In a quarter mile, keep to the right on.
Jack, shut up. So, and sometimes, baby wipes just don't do enough to make you feel clean. I mean, they're basically a stopgap, and that's it. Right here. And get out and check our load. Have service, change, duty, load check. Okay. Yeah. Fuck, I can't go there. Okay, so got our load check done. We are going to head down to Max Meadows, to the Loves there for our stop for the night. That's another hour away, so we have only a little bit of time to spare. Drive-wise, about 20 minutes. No drive time to spare. But that's the best place to stop. There's nothing to stop at Troutville with, and I refuse to stop there to begin with. that place sucks. So it is 74 miles down the road, and we will be where we need to be for the night. All right. We are here at Max Meadows, Grand Forge Road, or Major Grams Road. Got here, the very first parking spot that was available, I swung into. We did 590 miles today, so not too bad. If I had gone down to Fort Chiswell, yeah, closer to 600, but not by a whole lot. So I got a whopping 163 miles to go tomorrow to get to my parking spot, or my delivery. So that's a good place to be. So we're going to call today a success as much as we can. And as soon as these people get out of the way, we're going to move over a little bit closer to this other truck on our left-hand side. And that we're going to call that a day. The way it makes it a little easier for the next guy. I mean, it's a shame. This guy to our right, he just pulled nosed in. We're a little far away from the CR England truck over here, so we're going to try to get a little closer to them. As soon as we have a little place we can go. Just to be a little bit courteous to the person next to us, even though it looks like they have enough room, a little bit extra doesn't hurt.